day to you all. You know, in our previous class, we discussed about tonal sound, which is ami ohun. So, and I made us to realize that tonal sound is very important in Yoruba language because Yoruba language is a tonal language because there are similar words that has different meanings. So it is their sign that will indicate what they mean. It is their sign that will enable us to know what they mean. For example, we have I, li, u. This one too is I, li, u. Another one here is I, li, u. But if we take note at the sign on each, we'll discover that there are different signs there. There are different signs there. For instance, we have Iliu here, but the sign on it is, the first sign is do. The second sign is mi. So do mi, Iliu. Now let's use the sign to pronounce it. Ilu, do mi, ilu, do mi. Ilu means town. Another one here is, take note at this sign, do. You know, do is a lower sign, do, or lower tone. Iliu. Now let's use the do to pronounce the Iliu, and let's see what it gives us. Iliu, do, ilu. Ilu means drum. Other one here is do and what? Re. We've all known that re do not have sign. So do, re. Iliu. Let's pronounce it with do, re. It will give us what? Ilu, do, re, do, re. Ilu means what? Needle. It's a type of needle in which they use to sew shoes. Another example here is ODO. What does this ODO, the first ODO, what does it mean? It means river. So how do we know that it means river? It is the sign on it. You know, re do not have sign, and all vowel letter must carry a sign. All vowel letter must carry a sign. These are vowel sounds. This means re, do. This do not have a sign, so it is re, and this is do. You can see this sign, it is do. So now let's pronounce ODO with the sign on it. It will give us what? Re, do, odo, river. Another one here is ODO. This O do not have sign, so it is re. This O has sign, it is mi. ODO, re, mi, odo, which is what? Mortar. Another one here is ODO again. Okay, what does this mean? How do we pronounce this? Now listen good. This O has what we call mi, and this O has what we call re. You know, consonant letter do not carry sign. Consonant letter cannot carry sign. only letter N can carry sign in among all the consonants. So this is Dore, O-D-O. Now let's pronounce it with Dore. It will give us what? Odo, Odo. Odo means what? Zero, zero. It is very easy and straightforward. And now here is O-Ri-E. Ori-E is what? Ori. Another Ori-E is shea butter. Take a look at this last Ori-E. It is called pap. Why? Same word. Why would same word means different things? Why would three same words means three different things? Same spelling. So we are going to take a look and we are going to discover right now. It is the sign, don't forget. O-Ri-E. This O do not have sign. O that does not have sign carries what? Re. You know, I said it earlier that consonants do not carry sign. Re, mi, ori. Ori means what? Head. This sign is what? Do. This one is what? Mi. Do, mi means ori. Ori means what? Shea butter. This one is, you can see this O and E do not carry any sign. So what do we call it? Ori, re, ori, re. Ori means what? Pap, pap. Let's take a look at another example. Abia. It means what? A town in Igbo land. Another one is Abia, village. Another one is Abia, suggestion. So let's take a look. This A carries re. This A carries mi. We've said it earlier that consonants do not carry any sign in Yoruba language. It's not possible. So Aba. Aba means what? A town in Igbo land. Re, do. Re, do. This sign is do. Aba. It means what? Village. Aba, do, mi. Aba means suggestion. And the last but not the least example, here we have Ilia, which means okra. Okra. And now here is Ilia. It means a town in Yoruba land. And now here is Ilia. It means line. Line. And now here is Ilia. It means tribal mark. Now, let's take a good look at this. Here we have Ilia. That means okra. We still have under Ilia. That means a town in Yoruba land. We have under Ilia, which means a line. Here we have another Ilia, which means tribal mark. You know, as we were saying, it is the sign on each that will make us to understand the pronunciation, that will enable us to pronounce them in the right way. This E do not have sign. This A has sign. And what sign is this? This is mi. Re, mi. Now pronounce the li here. Re, mi. Ila, okra. Do, mi. Ila, a town in Yoruba land. Ila, do. Line. Ila, re, do, tribal mark. To read Yoruba news, click on www.yorubaworldview.com. www.yorubaworldview.com. Stay blessed. And please don't forget to like, comment and share. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next week.